Welcome back to Crafty Tae. Today we're going to be doing my first giveaway. The way you're entered to the drawing, you have to be a subscriber. Click that bell. Comment down below Crafty Tae. So our supplies, what we're going to be using today is some fabric, some sticks, a sponge, some Mr. Clean Magical Eraser, some handy dandy scissors, a hot glue stick, some nail polish, some hot glue sticks, and Christmas ornament, and a tissue roll, and battery, power, candle, and rhinestone strips, and some bottles, caps, and foam board, and my handy dandy Crafty Tae's hot glue gun. So let's get started. Okay, so first you want to put the glue here. And after that, you want to stick these together. Okay, so now I got this all glued. You want to make sure this is all the way to the corner. And then this side needs to be all the way to the corner too. Okay, and then you want to take a pen or a pencil and then you want to trace it this way. Okay, now I'm going to cut this out. So now, when I'm done cutting this out, I put lots of glue. After I put this on, I have to get the fabric. So first, I have to fold it this way. Put the glue. So I'm putting my finger right here, and this is where I'm going to cut it. So first we're going to put the hot glue down here. Always glue bottom first. This is the bottom, and you want to fold the bottom in first. And then this is the front, and then you want to fold the front and last. Okay, so if you see anything hanging off like this, you just want to go ahead and cut it off. This is the finishing. Okay, now, so this is how I'm going to be doing it, but I'm going to put the fabric around and we're going to glue it together. So So I got one of my Mr. Clean magical erasers. And then put it here. And then we'll just this. Okay, so now I'm going to start putting over here. Steps to these. Okay, so now I got all these together. I'm gonna grab the bottom and I'm gonna start putting them together. So now we're going to flip it over and put the legs on. This is what the legs are going to be like. Okay, so we're going to glue 2 bottle caps together. And we're going to cut a strip of this, and then we're going to hot glue the strip, and then we're going to paint it with the nail polish. To paint it out. Okay, so now I got this all painted and it's all dry. I left some without no paint so I can glue it. And you don't want to put a little dot, you want to go like this. Okay, so we're about to do the lamp to match our couch. And we have an ornament, a Christmas ornament, there's fabric, and a battery power candle. So let's get started. had traced this for me. And now I'm gonna cut it out and trace it on this and then cut it out. Okay, so this is a 2-pack cereal box. And this is a little thicker than the other one. And we're going to trace 4 of them. Okay, now we got all 4 traced out. We're going to cut them out now. Okay, so now we got all 4 traced them out, and we cut them out. Now I have my glue stick to glue them on and put them on. Okay, so we tried to use the glue stick with the picture side, but it was too slippery, so we're just going to use the hot glue gun. Okay, so we have to cut out 3 more of these, and I'm going to be making 4 big circles out of nail polish tub, and I'm going to be making 6 smaller circles out of this glue stick. We glue 2 of these together. Okay, so whatever toothpick or stick you use, you want to put it in the middle and trace both sides. Once you cut the trace out, it should look like this. You'll cut 3 of these like that. I'm gonna glue 3 layers of these and then put this on top. Okay, we only had to cut out 3 big circles, and then we're going to cut it in half, and we're going to glue the 3 together. Of the hoverboard, you're going to put this part above the hole, like this. And then you want to cut the stick right here, and then you want to put the tires on and line them up. And then you want to glue them together and put them all on. Okay, now we got our wheels glued together. Now I'm gonna pick a color to paint it. So let's see. Purple. I like pink or light pink, so I'm gonna pick a light pink. Now I'm letting my wheels dry. I'm going to start painting my hoverboard this dark pink. I was supposed to cut a strip out of this tissue paper, and this is the strip. It should be this size or this size or thick like this. And okay, so I'm going to put this strip around this, and it should go just like this. And then we'll paint. Just like that. Now I'm going to glue the other side of this and the other side of this. Okay, so now I got all this painted up. I am going to cut out the foam board of 2 of these, and I'm going to put them right here and glue it on. Now, if you want to leave it painted, or if you want to add glitter, I'm going to add glitter. So You can use newspaper, whatever what needs to put it on so you won't get the glitter all over. So I'm just going, you don't need to use a lot. So and then you're just going to put it right here. And then you're just going to put the glitter on. This. That. Now just go like that. And you want to be careful going around this because you don't want to get it on the black. And I'm just going to just go step by step on each thing. So now I got this. I'm going to go this way now, and now I'm get this and this all done. Okay, so now we got all the glitter on. We're going to take up the sticks of this, and I'm going to put this on. I'm gonna glue the rhinestone on to here, and I have to make sure that it's touching the stick like this after you've glued it. So put it right here, get my rhinestone, and put it right on there. And okay, I'm gonna do the other side the same way. Okay, now I got my rhinestones on. I am going to glitter it, and I'm going to put some nail polish around it and then put the glitter on. Okay, so I'm gonna put some glue around this so it can stay. And then I'm gonna put some glue around this so it can stay in here, and I'm gonna push it all the way in. Okay, now I got this all glittered up and push these wheels in. I have my rhinestones, and this is my finished touch. Thank you for watching Crafty Tae. And I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that bell. The way to win this set is you have to like and subscribe and click that bell. And you have to comment down below Crafty Tae. Bye, thank you for watching.